The 7th edition of Plastasia was held at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi from 20th to 23rd April 2022. Organized by Triune Exhibitors Private Limited in association with PMMAI, the 4-day Plastasia 2022 received an overwhelming response from the who's who of the plastics economy, including industry giants from the manufacturing and raw material sectors. The event was organized to promote excellence in the field of plastics. On display were the entire range of plastic processing machinery, accessories, raw materials, additives, master batches, intermediates, blends and alloys, and composites.
This is the first physical exhibition after 3 years of COVID, and the response is tremendous. People are looking forward to all the new developments in physical form.
A range of latest IT applications and automation solutions, emerging technologies, recycling and green solutions, among others, were also on display at the 4-day event. The main objective of the exhibition was to consolidate brand image, witness live demonstrations, establish business contacts, and last but not the least, to explore the possibilities of concluding business deals all under one roof.
Hats off to Plastasia for bringing in so much of audience and visibility, and it truly reflects in the number of people who are coming down and the kind of business getting generated.
I am very encouraged by the footfall, both in terms of existing customers as well as new entrepreneurs.
Yeah, it was great to be here. For us, exhibition is the biggest opportunity to show our technology, and Plastasia has given a great opportunity on the right time.
Plastasia 2022 attracted key industry players and top-level decision makers from the corporate and public sectors in the region, providing a strategic setting to forge business tie-ups and contacts.
I would like to thank the organizer for making a nice arrangement and making this show really a successful one. We had a good experience throughout this exhibition time, and we booked business also.
I must compliment Cyrilji and Triune as an organization for making such a good show. The footfall has been very good. The quality of stands have improved. The presentations have improved over the last Plastasia which I saw.
Plastasia 2022 witnessed enthusiastic participation from 605 exhibitors from the length and breadth of India, along with overseas participation.
We are actually surprised by the footfall. We had visitors from all parts of India, and we also had a few visitors from overseas. So we got a good response.
There is a lot of enthusiasm amongst the exhibitors and the visitors both. A lot of footfall. We look forward to a very good business.
The event also witnessed enthusiastic response from MSME segment of the country due to subsidy provided by MSME.
I'm so glad that Plastasia is ensuring that from various parts people can come and participate in a way it causes growth in the country.
Despite the constraints due to COVID pandemic, the expo received an overwhelming response with 46,678 business visitors attending the exhibition over 4 days, thereby setting a new benchmark for a plastic industry event in the subcontinent during the pandemic.
We are really surprised to have such kind of a fantastic experience at Plastasia. Really grateful that the platform is made available even during such kind of a challenging situation.
We could receive customers from all over the regions, west, south and east, in addition to the northern region, which anyway was anticipated.
Plastasia team, Triune Exhibitors have done a very good job, and we can see from the number of visitors and from the footfall what has been done. So it has been a great experience.
जैसे कि ये एक्सपो प्लास्टेशिया दिल्ली में 5 साल बाद आया है और हमें जितनी उम्मीद थी उससे ज़्यादा यहाँ से मिल रहा है, और इसके लिए मैं प्लास्टेशिया के सभी लोगों का बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ.
Plastasia 2022 was held over 35,000 square meters of space, spread across 7 halls at India's most prominent exhibition centre, Pragati Maidan, at the heart of New Delhi.
This infrastructure at Pragati Maidan is centrally located for the length and breadth of the country. People from various countries visited this place. There were n number of inquiries and very serious ones.
We could get much more than what we had expected. A very quality crowd, very quality leads.
Our overall experience is really nice. Last 4 days our team working here and they had a very good experience with the organizers, that is Triune, and we are happy with the entire management.
We are enjoying a very good show here and a very good crowd. Lot of entrepreneurs highly interested in investing in our technology, our machine.
This exhibition is unbelievable. After 3 years, we all are meeting after the COVID. The exposure and the response from last 2 days is excellent, unbelievable. We are able to meet the people across the India, plus Nepal, Bangladesh, also able to see it.
There is good footfall of customers and we have received a lot of genuine inquiries during the exhibition. Our customers, existing customers and new customers also visited here, and really good exhibition, very well organized.
Seventh Plastasia exhibition, which is organized by Triune Exhibitors Private Limited in association with PMMAI, where we had occupied 7 halls, exhibitors of more than 500 and attracted more than 40,000 visitors. It's a great achievement as an organizer. I would like to thank all my sponsors, supporters, media partners and all my vendors to make Plastasia 2022 a grand success.
Today is the last day at Plastasia 2022. The companies who participated, they are all extremely happy and appreciating the efforts of Triune Exhibitors Private Limited. We had 500 plus companies from all over India, more than 40,000 visitors, and this show is being organized in association with PMMAI. And I am also thankful to MSME for giving subsidy for more than 80 industries to participate in this show. Once again, I would like to extend my thanks to all the exhibitors who have come from various states. All of them are extremely happy, which makes the organizer much more happy. Thank you very much.
After the resounding success of Plastasia 2022, Triune Exhibitions and PMMAI are happy to invite you to Plast Focus 2024, an evolved plastics exhibition from 1st to 5th February 2024 in Delhi NCR.
We are certainly looking forward to Plast Focus, organized by the same people. Thank you so much, Triune and PMMAI.